What's happening, everybody? Boy Big Brandoh, and today we got another boxing session video. This one comes to you from Reps4Lyfe. I don't cover up their address because I don't know if they want that information out there, but shout out to Reps4Lyfe. Cut this thing open here. Hope I don't slice nothing on the inside. Oh, they already got a perforated thing there. Black poly mailers look clean as always. Let's see if we can get this thing open. I was going to use the blade, but I don't want to cut nothing that's in there. Here we go. Oh, dope. Alright. So it looked like it came in its own little reusable bag. I don't know if this is screen printed or plastisol transferred or what, but it's in there and it's printed nicely. Reps4Lyfe. Our logo with the wings on it. I think this is a number 4 on the inside. Reps4Lyfe. Clean. They left a marker in there. Oh shit, nope. This is a personalized marker. Check that out. Try to lower this down a little. But it says Reps4Lyfe on the marker. Clean. I thought this was just something they left in there. I need a marker like this. Or is it a pen? Oh, it's a marker. Yeah. This is clean. Never seen that before. Get up in here. Oh yeah. Nothing else in the bag. Shout out to Reps4Lyfe. Let me crank this light back up. First things first. Everything is on brand. Purple is the brand's color. Purple on the bag. Black and purple. Printing on here. Reps4Lyfe. This is black and purple. Purple heart with the Reps4Lyfe on there. This is dope. This is like one of those things to squeeze when you're stressed out. That's clean. Everything on here is on brand. Tissue paper, even the down to this little paper clip is also purple. When you talk about being on brand, that's on brand. Very clean sticker right here. R for L. I like that it's on this like reflective material die cut sticker. Very clean. That's going on my door. Here's another sticker right here. Reps4Lyfe. Got the wings and the R logo. Oh, I see it now. It's a R, heart, and then there's a 4 and an L on the inside of there. Hopefully you can see that. Very clean. Reps4Lyfe sticker. And this is, oh, it's a business card. Check it out. Shout out to the homie Alex Prince. Reps4Lyfe, all the information's on there. Reps4Lyfe. This is their business card. This is clean because it's not your average regular 2x3 business card. This looks like, I don't know, 2.5 by 2.5 square. This is cool, man. Show love in real life. Appreciate that. So here's the card that they sent with it. I'm gonna read it out to you guys right now. Big Brandoh, thanks for being a real one. All the free knowledge you drop on YouTube, I soak it all up and really appreciate it. I was having issues with pressing on the sleeves, and I found the solution because of you. Keep spreading that knowledge and inspiration, showing love in real life from the east to the west. Peace, Alex. Alex Prince, I appreciate you. I appreciate this package, but I really appreciate everything being on brand. So let's see what they sent us here. This is packaged up with some really cool tissue paper. This gives the customers end experience a good little taste of what the brand is all about. You know what I mean? Here we go. Oh, this is crazy. Alright, there's a lot of stuff I want to talk about right here. So let's talk about the t-shirt for one. I don't know if this is plastisol transfer or screen print, but it feels good. It feels like it's in the shirt. The color purple, royalty, creativity, ambition, power, nobility, wisdom, luxury, dignity, wealth, pride, extravagance, grandeur, devotion, peace, independence, compassionate, supportive, understanding, mystery, and magic. Excuse my reading, but check this out. This is clean. I don't know what this is. This is either like a woven label. Let me try to turn down the light here so you could get a good look at that. It's like a woven label that's pressed into the shirt. You can't see it from the back side, but it's in there. 1X, reps4lyfe.com. This is clean. Wash, cold, hang, dry, do not steam. 100% ring spun cotton, created in Brooklyn with love. That is dope. I think that's like a little baby on there too. That is crazy. This is dope. I ain't never seen nothing like this before. Very cool, but I wanted to talk about this. Look at this little patch on the sleeve, man. That right there, clean. Patch is well done. It looked like the edges are marrowed or maybe laser cut. That's clean. Pressed on, and that sucker is on there. Black and purple, the color purple. Like I said, everything is on brand. This little neck label tag is crazy, man. It feels like it's a woven label and it's pressed in, but you can't tell from the back side. Is there anything on the back? Nope. I don't know what kind of blank they're using on here, but it feels good. It feels soft. They said it was ring spun cotton, so that makes a lot of sense. That is dope. Reps4Lyfe, man. Props on this, man. Got the logo in there, 1X. Reps4Lyfe, wash, cold, hang, dry. Got all the instructions on there. Very, very clean hit. I've never seen nothing like this, and I think it's dope, man. Appreciate you guys for shooting this out to me. Looks fucking clean. Here's the stickers. Once again, everything is packaged up and branded perfect with your guys' brand, man. Very dope. Crank the light back up for you guys. Everything looks good, spot on. I get down with everything you guys are doing. Everything from the reusable tote bag to the black poly mailer that you sent it in. Everything black and purple on brand. You guys are killing it, man. Very dope. Shout out to you, Alex, man. I appreciate you guys for sending this out. I hope you guys are out there getting that money, man, because you guys deserve it. A lot of this stuff is done and executed perfectly. Reps4Lyfe, I get down with you guys, man. Appreciate you. Shout out to Brooklyn. Shout out to Alex Prince and Reps4Lyfe. Check them out, reps4lyfe.com. And I think they're on Instagram under really Reps4Lyfe. I'll leave all the information in the description box. Appreciate you guys. If you guys wanted to be on a boxing session video, all you got to do is send the package to the address in the description box, and I'll either unbox it on a live stream or I will be unboxing it live on here. Catch you guys on next one, man. Yeah.